Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup photos with Google Photos Archive Privacy Beginner Guide step by step clearly. Open your device and locate the Google Photos app. Launch the app to access your photo library. If you don't have the app, download it from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Sign in with your Google account if prompted. Once you're in the app, tap on the Photos tab at the bottom of the screen. Browse through your images to select the ones you want to backup. To select a photo, simply tap on it. If you want to select multiple photos, long press on one image and then tap on additional images. Once you have selected your desired photos, look for the three vertical dots in the top right. Tap the three dots to open a menu of options. From the menu, choose Archive. A confirmation message may appear, confirming your intention to archive the selected photos. Confirm your choice to proceed with archiving. The selected photos will now be moved to the Archive section. To find your archived photos, tap the Library tab at the bottom of the screen. Next, tap on Archive to view all your archived images. Your photos are now backed up in a private space within Google Photos. Feel free to explore the settings to learn more about backup options. You can also adjust the quality of backups in the Settings menu if desired. Your photos are safely stored, ensuring they remain private and secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.